Hi students, this is Varakumar from the Vijay Millennium Senior Secondary School, your maths faculty. Here, these days we are learning linear inequations. In the earlier section, it means yesterday video, if you have seen that, we have learned all the types of application oriented sums, how to solve it. Right? Now, today we are going to learn one interesting topic, that is graph. How to plot these linear equation two variables in graphs. Right? Okay. Now, see that one. First, what are the inequations we have? Ax plus by less than c, ax plus by greater than c, ax plus by less than or equal to c, and ax plus by greater than or equal to c. So these type of inequations we have learned already. See, if the inequations are given like this, how we can plot it? Okay, just I'm taking an example of this one, ax plus by less than c. Then I'll connect to the ax plus by less than or equal to c. Okay, now x-axis, y-axis. This we know already. Okay, now ax plus by less than c. Ax plus by less than c. Okay, then we are going to find it ax plus by. For example, if you take 2x plus 3y less than 6. 2x plus 3y less than 6. Which means a value 2, b value 3 and c value 6. Now, somehow we learnt already placing x value 0, placing y value 0. We will get the points. Those points we are going to mark on the axis, x-axis, y-axis. We are going to get it like this. Now, ax plus by less than c. Right? Now, based on that, I just take an example. This is not exactly ax plus by less than c. Okay. Now, I want to shade towards the origin or above the origin. Why I have to shade it? Because less than c, there are some values will satisfy. Where those values? Where are those values? Okay, those values are where? In this half plane or in this half plane or on the line. Okay, I use the word half plane. See, every number line or every real like linear straight line will divide the plane into two parts. Okay, these two parts, for example, if you take a vertical line, this will divide the whole plane will be into two parts. This part or that. Okay, if you take a horizontal line, will divide into two parts, up or down. Similarly, this line dividing the plane into two, that half plane 1, half plane 2. Now, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to find it less than c. It means towards the origin or away from the origin we are supposed to mark. What is marking? Why you need to mark it? I told you already, to find the number, to find the solutions where it is possibility. Solutions possibility. There are so many values will be there, so many points. For example, here x1, y1. Here some alpha comma beta, some here c comma d. So like so many points will be there. Now which are the points will satisfy that area we are supposed to shade it. But it is very difficult to identify any point in half plane 1 or half plane 2 or on the lumber line. So for our convenience, we are going to test with 0, 0. Suppose 0, 0 if you write it. 0, 0 if you write it. Now, a into 0 plus b into 0. A into 0 plus b into 0 less than c. So, 0 less than c. 0 less than c. 0 less than c. We don't know what is the value of c. C may be positive or c may be negative. C may be positive, c may be negative. See, suppose if it is c is positive. C is positive. 0 less than c. C is positive. See, 0 less than any positive number. Suppose plus 1 also, plus 2 also, plus 3 also. So 0 less than plus 1. So according to us, this is true. So when it is true, what we should do? We have to shade towards the origin. Towards the origin. We are supposed to shade it. Yeah? Fine. See, one thing if you notice, I have not touched the line. I have not touched the line. Without touching the line, I maintain some gaps between that. Okay? Because here is less than symbol we have. Okay? Fine. Next. What I said? Without touching that, I have done it. Another way of representation, same number line, but instead of that, I'll do dotted line. Then I'll try to right. See, it is one more way of representation, dotted line. Now, in this case, these both are same problem only. In this case, we can touch the graph dotted line. We can shade towards the origin. Sir, what is the difference between this, or what you are trying to conclude? See here, less than. See, I said you x less than, modulus x less than a, modulus x less than a, or x less than a. It means the possible values of x will be less than a. The possible values of x will be less than a. The possible values of x will be less than a. But a is not included. So, in this case, if you take thick line, we should not touch and we should have to shade. If it is a dotted line, we can touch it. Dotted line says that the values are not included. If you are not touching also, the values are not included. Okay, now see what we are trying to do. 0 less than c, if it is positive, true case we are doing. If it is false, how to do, sir? See what we got it? 0 less than c, which is negative. If it is negative, what you have to do, sir? If it is a positive, it is true. It is true, we have done towards the origin. Suppose if it is false, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to do same. You can use either thick line or dotted line. Now we have to shade away from the origin. Don't touch that. Away from the origin. So what I am trying to say, if it is less than, towards the origin. If it is greater than, it means here positive case, true case, or negative, it is false case. If it is true case, towards the origin. If it is false, then away from the origin we are supposed to draw it. Now one more. Now if ax plus by less than c is over, now ax plus by less than or equal to c case you take it. In this case, same way you have to draw that. If you draw, suppose the line is this way. This is ax plus by. It is exactly c. Now less than or equal to c. So to find the less than or equal to c, in the previous one what I said you, check out with 0, 0. So when you check out with 0, 0, substitute 0, 0, 0 plus 0 less than or equal to c. Then 0 less than or equal to c. Now c value, one case it will be c value, we have to take it as a positive. One case c value will be taken as a negative. Suppose 0 less than or equal to c, which is taken as a positive. If it is happen, 0 less than or equal to positive. So then what you can say, this is true. That case it is true. So that case it is true. Then we will shade towards the origin. See, now when you are drawing this one, I am touching the number line, I am touching the equation, I am drawing it. But in the previous one, we are not supposed to touch and draw it. Then suppose c is negative, 0 less than or equal to, this is number 1, 0 less than or equal to c, which is negative. Then what you could say, this is false, because 0 is less than negative value is positive, false. 0 less than or equal to negative value is false. Then what you have to do, we have to shade away from the origin. away from the origin. Right. Now, see, other cases greater than 0, greater than c, greater than or equal to c also the same cases. Same cases will be possible. If substitute, first you have to draw that, then you have to check it out 0, 0 whether it is in the solution set or not. Right. Now 0, 0 when you are substituted, if the inequation it is true, then we have to shade towards the origin. If it is false, away from the origin. And one more thing, less than or greater than. Less than or greater than, we should not touch the number line. If it is a thick line or dotted line, we can touch it, no issues, because those values are not included. Second thing, if it is false, we have to draw away from the origin. And it is equal to what we do, we can touch and draw it. Clear? Fine. Now, say when we are shading here, we have so many values. We will get so many values. Suppose I am shading this side, it means these all the values are included. I am shading this side, so I have so many values. What are these values are called as? These values all are called as together solutions, and the set is called solution set. Solution set. So that will be lies any one of the half plane. Remember, every line divides the plane into two parts, half plane 1, half plane 2. Now let us do some more model sums, then we can understand very well.